y'all, it is me, Miss CC, and today we're making a zine, and this is our practice zine. You can download this on the website linked down below. So this is what we're going to make out of one sheet of paper. So the PDF gives you 3 pieces of paper. One has all of the details, what to do. 2 is just a little lighter, so not all the information. And then the third one is lightly lined. If you can see that that's where your folds need to be. All right, and then we're going to use a blank sheet of paper, printer paper, to make our final one. But we won't be doing that in the video. You're going to need scissors. You're going to need some coloring utensils. You're going to need lots of coloring utensils. So whether it be markers or watercolor brushes or washi tape, whatever. But we're just going to start with the basics for now. All right, let's go. So this first sheet, when you download the PDF, you can see that it has every page on there, right? You can see the back page, the cover, and all the instructions you need. So our first step is we're going to fold it hot dog style. So the long way, right? Along that crease, right? So now we're going to open it up, and now we're going to fold it hamburger style. So let's make sure it folds easily. Get it to the corner as close as you can, and then fold it on that crease. All right. So our next step, we need to get 8 squares, right? We need the 8 little tiny squares. So what we're going to do is flip it over and fold each half in half. So we want to make sure that our edges meet that middle line, and it turns it into quarters. So now we have 8 quarter pieces of squares or rectangles, right? So the 4 at the top and 4 at the bottom. All right, so this part is cool. So you're going to fold it hamburger style again and cut along that dark line. So we don't want to cut all the way across. We just want to cut that one little line, that little square to that corner. Because if we cut it all across, we won't have 1 page, we'll have 2. So now we have 2 flaps, right? This is how I do mine. I'm not sure how other people do it, but we're going to open it and squish it. So how I like to do is pull the flaps, pull them over, align it in the center, and where it says back and cover, you want to make sure those are even, right? So mine's not perfect. It's okay. So we have our zine. So we have our 2nd page, 3rd page, 4th page, 5th page, 6th page, 7, and 8. So that's the back. So that is how we make our zine. Great job. Head over to the website and download. Thank you.